Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to Fluent World Podcast. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Today, I'm going to help you stop saying fine and instead use natural, confident English phrases that native speakers actually use. By the end of this video, you'll learn 8 ways to answer "How are you?" like a real English speaker. So make sure you watch till the very end. Ready? Let's have some fun and practice English together. Do you ever feel like you always say, "I'm fine," but it sounds boring or a little fake? Well, today we will fix that. And I promise, after this lesson, your English will sound friendly, confident, and natural. Slow English. Repeat after me. I am good. Listen. I'm good. Repeat after me. I'm good. This is simple, friendly, and very natural. Example. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Repeat again. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Great. Pretty good. Listen carefully. Pretty good. Repeat. Pretty good. We use this when we feel good but not perfect. Example. I'm pretty good today. How about you? Say it with me. I'm pretty good today. How about you? Perfect. Phrase 3. I'm doing well. Listen slowly. I'm doing well. Repeat. I'm doing well. This is slightly more formal, good for work or school or meeting someone new. Example. I'm doing well, thank you. And you? Repeat one more time. I'm doing well, thank you. And you? Excellent. Phrase 4. Can't complain. Listen. Can't complain. Repeat. Can't complain. This means everything is okay. Not perfect, but not bad either. Example. Can't complain. How's your day? Repeat with me. Can't complain. How's your day? Phrase 5. Not bad. Listen. Not bad. Repeat. Not bad. This is casual, friendly, and very common. Example. Not bad. Thanks for asking. Say it with me. Not bad. Thanks for asking. I'm all right. Listen. I'm all right. Repeat. I'm all right. This works if you are okay, maybe a little tired, but everything is fine. Example. I'm all right today. How about you? Repeat after me. I'm all right today. How about you? Phrase 7. Doing great. Listen. Doing great. Repeat. Doing great. Use this when you feel happy, excited, or really good. Example. I'm doing great today. Say it with me. I'm doing great today. Never better. Listen. Never better. Repeat. Never better. This is perfect when you feel amazing or your day is going really well. Example. Never better. How about you? Repeat. Never better. How about you? Real-life practice. Mini conversation. Now, let's practice a real conversation. Hey, Paul, how are you? I'm pretty good. Nice. How was your week? Not bad at all. Let's do it together. Repeat after me, slowly. Hey, Paul, how are you? I'm pretty good. Nice. How was your week? Not bad at all. One more time. Speak with me, slowly and clearly. How are you? Can't complain. Fantastic. Tips from Paul. Tip 1. Don't overthink. Simple English works best. Tip 2. Speak slowly, clearly, confidently. Tip 3. Repeat phrases every day. Practice with friends, family, or even in the mirror. Tip 4. Smile while speaking. It makes your voice sound natural. Recap. Full phrases. Let's repeat all phrases together. I'm good. Pretty good. I'm doing well. Can't complain. Not bad. I'm all right. Doing great. Never better. Amazing job. Today's challenge. Use one new phrase when someone asks, "How are you?" Even if it's a short conversation. Practice makes perfect. You did fantastic today. Thanks for practicing English with Paul on Fluent World Podcast. If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell for more slow English lessons so your speaking becomes fluent, confident, natural. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.